You can go ahead and raise your hand, so I can go ahead and clear any questions you have one by one. Somebody has raised the hand. Okay, Sonal ji.
हाँ सर।
Yes.
सर मैंने वही जैसे आपने भी बताया फैमिली का कॉमन नंबर निकालने के लिए, तो सेम वही मैंने मेरे बच्चों के साथ निकाला तो 5692 आया है, मतलब
ओके 5 6 9 and 2
यस
राइट। तो जो हम लोग ने 4 नंबर्स पिक किए उसमें आपको 5 and 6 मिल रहा है,
यस
राइट। 9 and 2 is good numbers, but we are not going to use it anywhere. We are not going to have a phone number on that or a house number on that or a vehicle number on that. Okay. 9 you can still sometimes, अगर कोई dates नहीं मिल रही है तो you can definitely use 9, but other than that 5 and 6 prominently आपके family के lucky numbers हो गए।
ओके सर।
So anything you want to do for the family, घर लेना है, गाड़ी लेनी है, anything you want to do, these are the 2 numbers you should keep in mind.
ओके सर। सर जैसे मैं अभी जैसे अभी मैं ये ऑकल्ट फील्ड में जाने का कर रही हूँ, तो देन मैंने मेरा मोबाइल नंबर, माय कंडक्टर नंबर इज 1, ड्राइवर नंबर इज 8 इज एंटी, तो आई टेकन कंडक्टर नंबर 1 एंड मोबाइल नंबर टेकन 9।
आपका ड्राइवर नंबर क्या बोला आपने?
ड्राइवर नंबर
8। तो 1 आप यूज ही नहीं कर पाएंगे कहीं पर भी।
बट मैं अपने बिजनेस के लिए मैं यूज करूँ ना सर उसको?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं।
नहीं
Okay.
8 आप कहीं पर भी यूज नहीं करेंगे।
ओके
यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज इट एनीवेयर।
ओके। तो
इफ यू यूज इट एंटी हो जाएगा, स्ट्रगल्स बहुत सारे आ जाएंगे, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट सक्सेस।
तो सर अगर मैं मुझे मोबाइल नंबर 9 पे ले रही हूँ मैं, तो हाउ इज कंपेरेबल?
See, 9 is okay. जैसे मैंने बोला कि it is an okay number. Sometimes it is unpredictable, right? तो कभी-कभी रिजल्ट्स दे जाते हैं, कभी-कभी रिजल्ट्स नहीं देते।
ओके। तो
right, so we should be careful.
तो प्रोफेशन के लिए अगर मैं जैसे हम कंडक्टर नंबर यूज करते हैं, बट वो 1 है मेरा,
लेकिन क्या प्रोफेशन करना चाह रहे हैं? What
ऑकल्ट
you want to
फील्ड।
do? हाँ, 7 है आपके ग्रिड में?
यस।
5 है?
5 नहीं है सर।
3 है?
3 भी नहीं है।
नहीं है। So आपका नेम नंबर 5 पे आना चाहिए, right? And phone number preferably it can come on 6. That would be a good number to come on 6.
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है सर, मैं ट्राई करती हूँ, बट क्योंकि मेरा जो अभी मेरा नंबर है वो है 9, अगर मैं इसके लिए इस फील्ड के लिए मैं यूज कर रही हूँ, तो एक्चुअली जैसे मेरी आपसे पहले भी बात हो चुकी है, तो मैंने यूज करना, जैसे ही मैंने इस चीज को पब्लिकली नोटिस कराया है मेरा, देन मुझे रिस्पॉन्स काफी अच्छा मिल रहा है।
बट एक थिंग है कि 8 is already always going to give you trouble if you use 1. बहुत सारे ट्रबल्स आएंगे हेल्थ के लिए। आप अभी बोल रहे हैं कि आ गया है ऑलरेडी।
यस। तो अगर फिर मैं 8 के साथ 9 यूज नहीं कर सकती सर?
8 के साथ 9 यूज कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम विथ यूजिंग इट, ओके, बट द प्रोमिनेंट नंबर वुड बी 6 and 5 टू यूज।
ओके एंड जैसे आपने बताया था वैसे ही मैंने उसमें मेरा स्पेलिंग भी मैंने SONNAL कर लिया है। तो
Okay.
वो भी मतलब थोड़ा सा बट मैंने जैसे नंबर उसके साथ जो मैंने नंबर डाला है वो मुझे रिस्पॉन्स दे रहा है
नहीं
ये
दे रहा,
स्पेलिंग के साथ।
हाँ दे रहा है, बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज वो कंटिन्यूअस स्टेबिलिटी वाला आपको नहीं देगा. For
ओके
some time it may give, but there'll be lot of snacks.
ओके ओके
Lot of
देन
snacks.
देन आई विल टेक 6.
Hmm.
ओके
6 and 5 are good numbers for you.
5 and 6. ओके सर ओके ओके थैंक यू सर.
Okay, great. Anil ji.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So my question is basically my driver and conductor are 7 and 7. Right? So and so this is about my name number. So I have like 5 missing in the grid. So 2, 3, 5 and 8 are missing.
Okay.
I want to bring my name number to 5, right? So उसमें करने में manipulations है first, second, third name का जो आ रहा है 1, 3 and 1. तो 5 total तो आ रहा है, but now the problem is this कि first name, last name 1, 1 पे end हो रहे हैं. I already have 2 times 1 in my grid. So what do you suggest?
See,
I mean,
2 times 1 है and then you want to use 1, no problem. Okay, you can definitely use 1.
So 2 times 1 है, name number को मैं 5 पे लाना चाहता हूँ.
हाँ.
But individual first name, last name दोनों 1 आ रहे हैं. Is that okay? 1, 3, 1 आ रहा है.
1, 3 and 1. तो total 5 आ रहा है. 1 from which number it is coming? 19?
1 from first name and 1 from last.
Total compound number?
Compound number it's coming is 21. Sorry, 50. 50.
नहीं. First name आपने बोला 1 पे आ रहा है.
First name 1 पे आ रहा है, मतलब 10 पे आ रहा है.
अच्छा 10 पे आ रहा है. Then 3 कहाँ से आ रहा है? 3?
3 आ रहा है basically middle name से जो कि 21 है, 21 है.
Okay, and the last name?
Is 19.
19. So all these compound numbers are good. Okay.
All these compound numbers are good and total is 5. Is that okay?
That is okay. No problem.
All right, sir.
But in your data, in your grid, you don't have 5.
I don't have 5, sir.
So use phone number 5.
Phone number 5. Okay. And name number also coming to 5. That's fine, right?
Yes. Name number कहाँ से 5 आ रहा है?
Sir,
1, 3, 1 आ रहा है ना?
1, 3, 1 आ रहा है तो 5 आ रहा है.
Yes.
That's okay, right, sir?
Yeah, that's okay.
Thank you.
Name number 5 पे अपना phone number 5 पे लेके आइए.
ठीक है, sir. Thank you, sir. अच्छा, phone number 1 पे आया तो?
1 पे आपके पास 3 and 7 है?
In the grid?
Yes.
हाँ सर, मेरे पास 7 तो 777 है सर, तो और 1 डबल 1 है.
Okay, so one thing you can keep in mind, you can bring it on 1, no problem, but always keep in mind अगर phone numbers हम लोग कभी भी हम लोग phone numbers देख रहे हैं तो always keep the thought कि 2 number से ज्यादा repeat ना हो. 5 3 बार आ जाना, 8 3 बार आ जाना, 4 3 बार आ जाना. We should always keep it limited to 2 numbers. Always any number 2 से ज्यादा बार ना आए. और अगर 4 8 अगर it is coming together, right? 4 and 8, 8 and 4. So don't take those numbers. I know it is going to be difficult because नहीं मिलता है ऐसे numbers, but if at all there is an option for you, then you can always change it. So 4 and 8 together, 4 आना, 8 आना is not great.
Right, sir. तो name and mobile दोनों 5 पे ले आता हूँ तो 555 हो जाएगा. It will be good because I don't have 5. Right, sir?
Yeah.
And it goes with 7 7 also, right?
Yes.
Sir? Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Galaxy Tab. Hello. Galaxy Tab did not. I can't hear you. You're on mute. I'm asking you to unmute. Okay.
Okay. Hello, sir. Sir, I have a doubt. As you said, driver or conductor number is 1.
Okay.
So what we have to consider, either driver or conductor. Suppose जैसे 1 और 5 है, 3 और 4 है, 2 और 4 है, तो हमें किस नंबर को कंसिडर करना है?
See, एक तो है कि दोनों को कंसिडर करना है because one is driving it, that is your personality number, and one is running that life. Okay, it is guiding it. So both should be compatible with whatever choices you make. Okay. अगर आप lucky number भी ले रहे हैं, days ले रहे हैं, colors ले रहे हैं, it should be compatible with both these numbers. Business कर रहे हैं, all of that should be compatible with both these numbers. Then it will give you.
Suppose it's 2 and 4.
2 and 4 are opposite numbers, right? So unka friend hai 1, unka friend hai 5, right? Unka friend hai 3. These are the numbers. So out of the 1, 5, 3, 6, 1, 5 and 3 are your friendly numbers.
Okay. The second question is कि जब हम लोचो ग्रिड बना रहे हैं, as I have attended your workshop, तो उस लोचो ग्रिड में हमें मंथ का टोटल भी ऐड करना होता है?
तो जब हम नेक्स्ट वीक में हम लोग फ्यूचर ट्रेंड्स करेंगे नेम नंबर के साथ, then you will get to understand your personal month, how you calculate, personal day, how you calculate, we'll get to know. You can calculate this, yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
LKM32SP, that is the name.
Sir, my name is Rakesh.
Yeah.
My name is Rakesh. Sir, my driver number is 1 and conduct number is 5.
Driver 1, conductor 5, which is good. Very good number.
But I have missing numbers of 3 and 4 and 6 and 7.
3, 4, 6, 7, right? So remedies आपको करनी है 3 and 4 के लिए, right?
Yeah.
And then 5 के लिए भी रेमेडी करनी है और 6 के लिए वॉच पहनना है.
हाँ पहना है. Sir, my doubt is which number I have to use for my lucky number. My lottery number is 5.
1 and 5, how many times it is there in your grid?
1 is 3 times and actually 1 is 3 times and 5 is my lottery number. I meant to say destiny number.
1 is 3 times and 5 is
1 time.
1 time. So get the phone number on 5. It is good.
Number on 5. What about house number?
What is the house number you're staying now? You can't use 8.
I'm at 6 now.
6 is good. Great with 1. 6 is good, sir.
Well, sir, my name is on name is under the 9. 3 numbers 1, 8, 1 and 1, 1, 6.
Name, huh? That is coming to 7.
Name number.
It's coming to 8. 7. 1, 1, 6.
1 is coming to all or 9. 1, 8, 1. 1 is 1.
Name number, just hold on. When we do it next week, you will get more clarity. So don't hurry up. Okay, just wait for this week. You'll get more clarity on how we can make a choice of the name. Okay, so just hold on for this week and then we'll take it from there.
Sir, shall I use first 1 and 5?
1 and 5 for? 1 and 5 for what?
For everything. I used to enhance them.
Yeah, 1 and 5. Missing numbers is what in your grid? What is your missing numbers?
3 and 4, 6 and 7.
3 and 4, 6 and 7. So 6 also is a very prominent number to enhance.
3 and 4, 6 and 7.
Your name number should come on 6. That will be good for you.
6.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but wait, don't do hurry.
Sir, 1 minute.
Go ahead.
You said that 29th his number is having the marriage issues.
29.
Can I know the remedy for that? Because my cousin 29. My cousin is on 29. She's ready. She got 32 years old. She didn't marry actually.
Okay, 1 second.
What is the remedy?
You have the date of birth?
For her?
Do you have the date of birth?
Yeah, I have the date of birth. Yes, sir.
Let me check 1 second. Yeah, give me the date of birth.
29th December 1985.
85.
85, sir.
29/12/1985, right?
85, sir. Morning 6:20.
So driver is 2, conductor is
2. 1.
9. So 3 times 2. Koa is
9.
Sorry?
Koa is 9. Koa is 9, sir.
9. So marriage should happen. 5 is there. 6 is not there. What is the reason? Reason क्या है?
मेरा मेरा आंटी कैंसिल करेंगे सब मैचेस. वो नहीं है, ये अच्छा नहीं है.
अच्छा.
He's not good. He's not good job. He's black. Like that. She's getting all the match. My sister is willing to marry, but my aunt is not good.
So one thing is there is a delay because of this. Okay, and she should always ensure that she never marries somebody on 8 and 4 probably. 4 is still okay, 8 definitely no, and 9 definitely no, because 8 and 9 are anti to these numbers. Okay, second thing is this year is her personal year is 1. Okay,
1.
Let me see. It is 1. So 1 is also for new beginnings. So there is a lot of chance that she will get married this month. If you look at April and May, a lot of chances.
Okay, sir. 8 and 4 are not good for them.
8 and 2.
8 and 2.
Sorry, 8 and 4. Yes.
8 and 4.
And 9 also.
9 also.
Yeah.
So she's having a lot of health problems, and she's not.
Missing numbers remedy you should do.
Missing numbers, sir.
Yeah. Missing numbers, all remedies you should do. Don't wait for the missing numbers remedy to be completed.
Okay, so she's in very good depression.
She's in
good depression, sir. She's in very depression. Yes, sir.
See, 3 2s are there, no? No, let her not worry. Marriage to hoga hi hoga, 5 hai to hoga hi hoga. There is a little bit of delay. That's it. Okay, it'll happen. Probably this year it should happen.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Anukampa ji, I'm coming one by one. I'm just going to take out time. Yeah, Anukampa ji. Hello.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Sir, I have 2-3 questions. I have actually 2 date of birth. So one is official and one is my real date of birth.
Okay.
And in my real date of birth, I have driver number as 9 and conductor number as 7. And my KUA number is also 9. So I have no lottery number.
Okay. Driver number and conductor number, can you give me again?
Driver number is 9, conductor number is 7. KUA number is 9.
Yeah. 9 and 7. Okay, what is missing in your grids?
In this, I have 4385.
4385 missing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 9 3 times and 7 2 times.
9 3 times and 7 2 times. That is okay, no problem.
And the one which is official, that is 68. It is driver number is 9 and conductor number is 8.
Driver number
and
is
9.
Number
is 1.
KUA number is 1. And in this missing is 4375.
Yes.
Correct? Only the 7 and 8 difference is there.
Yeah.
Right? I would always look at 9 and 8.
Because I can see here, when you were teaching all these stuff, so I was seeing that this my documental date birth, that is better. Because 88 also, I am doing a lot of hard work.
Okay.
And then also that if you were talking about money and storage of money, when I am the one who will save and give it to anybody, but I myself will not have any, and nothing for myself.
Okay.
So that is what I do. And so I am not using this date of birth official anywhere because it is all in my document.
Okay.
And I am not even using my real. But as you told that 357 is used in education. Right. So since 90, I am teaching.
Okay.
So 235 is missing, 7 2 times in my real one. And I am also, as I spoke the other day, like I am in healing also. So I am teaching there also. So which one should I consider best for me?
See, you already have 7 and in 1, and then you don't have 3 and 4. Right, you're already doing it, right? You can continue to do so, but we'll only have to enhance those numbers. So like 3 we need to enhance because it is part of the education, right? So we can enhance 3.
Yeah. And then one, so that means both the date of birth are okay, whichever is
Yeah, both are okay. 8 is there. If you think that is more suitable, not much of a change in the numbers, right? अगर बहुत सारे change या anti combinations हो जाते driver conductor के, then I could have told to think, but it is not in that way, so it is good. Don't worry.
Okay. And one thing I heard in the previous 2 days, like you said the 2, 5, and 8, they also tell you about your health.
Correct. So when you look at 2, so when you look at 2, right? 2 is between your head and your chest till your heart. 5 is your stomach portion, and below stomach bones. 8.
Okay, so if any number is missing, that means person is basically
most of the time they may have issues there, right? 5 nahi hai to thoda indigestion ka issues hoga, gastric ho jana, all of those things.
And sir, I asked you one question, and that was not answered. I'm asking here again. Like there are people, those who don't want to wear these bracelets and mala. So can we get some other remedies for that? Because they don't want to.
Yes, there is a yantra.
Don't want it.
Yes, I understand. There is a yantra, which is a direct remedy. Okay. And it only is available for 1, 5, and 6. For 3, there is no direct remedy as such. You need to always wear the remedies. See, enhancement is always good, because when these elements are there with you, it definitely has lot of impact on what you do. Okay, so always advise them that they should use it. Agar na kar paye kisi bhi karan, then we'll be learning on the direct remedies also. We can take that and then they can wear it. That they can wear.
Okay, so beads are okay to wear. You know, you can take tulsi beads, they are very smaller size. But if you talk about crystal big size, that crystal mala, they don't want to, because they're going out to work. Right, sir? So that was why I asked you this. And very, like my husband is in education field, sir.
Okay.
Right? But he doesn't have this number 2, 3, and 7.
So now you are doing that business, right? Now we want to get success out of it. हम लोग को अभी we don't want to change. It is going well. Only thing is, जितना hard work करे उतना success नहीं आ रहा है. To get that into place, what we require which numbers we need to enhance, right? That numbers only we will enhance. Now in your case, if you look at 9 and 8 or 9 and 7, 3 is where we need to go ahead and enhance it, right? So if you start using 3 as a phone number, school ka number 3 aa gaya, where people are connecting with you on that number, slowly ये enhance होते जाएगा. This will start enhancing.
Okay. So one last question, please. My daughter date of birth is 26.
26.
Yeah, and she has driver number as 8 and conductor number as 1.
See, 26 पे भी आ रहा है, driver conductor भी 1 and 8 है.
2 and she got 3 times 2 and 2 times 8.
Okay.
And missing numbers are 4, 9, and then 3 and 5.
Okay. Missing numbers की पहले remedy कर लीजिए. First thing, very important. Okay. And what is the problem now? क्या हो रहा है?
Sir, delay in the studies, and I'm very much concerned because you said 26 is always a number which is not going to have a good married life later.
Correct.
So that is what I am really.
शादी हो गई या नहीं हुई अभी?
No. She is just 18.
अच्छा. So one thing is कि looking at for her, the life partner should definitely be on 5. अगर हो सके, so we should definitely bring in her grid. She has 5 and 6.
No, 6 is there. No 5.
5. Okay, 6 is there. Marriage तो होगी. But the only thing we need to keep in mind is that we get her married to somebody who has 5. Okay, it is always going to help. थोड़ा balance आ जाएगा life में. Okay, in whatever they are doing. No other numbers I would prefer. तो एक आपको ये ध्यान में रखना ही रखना है.
Okay. So that means I have to check the driver number.
Conductor and driver number both.
Okay, both.
दोनों impact करेंगे.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
हाँ नीलिमा जी.
Hi sir.
Yes.
Sir, मैंने आपको मेरी ग्रिड भी भेजी है because earlier also I put up the same question and आपने बोला था ग्रिड भेज देना, तो I did share it. So now sir वही है कि मेरे missing numbers अगर 4, 3, 2 और 7 है, whereas my driver is 5, conductor is 1, the PUA is coming up to 8. एंड यहाँ पे जब मैं फ्रेंडली नंबर्स 1 और 5 के निकालती हूँ तो 9 2 5 है एंड 1 2 6 है, सो 2 इज द कॉमन वन.
करेक्ट, बट 5 भी कॉमन होगा.
5 कॉमन नहीं है सर. 9 2 5 1 के
नहीं, आपके लिए बोल रहे हैं या फैमिली के लिए निकाला? आपके लिए.
नो सर, दिस इज फॉर माय पर्सनल.
अच्छा, तो 1 and 5 आपका ड्राइवर कंडक्टर है, तो अदर देन 8 ऑल द नंबर्स आर गुड.
Other
As
than
simple
8.
as that.
So,
Other than 8.
Sir,
Other
if my phone number is 6, is it okay?
Yes, it is okay.
My
1
house
5.
number, I've just shifted recently. 9, I'm doing very well. I found this house very good.
9 is a good number because आपका 1 and 5 है, 9 goes well with that.
And work जो मेरा, I mean, I'm into occult only. I'm into healings, Reiki and all. So
Okay.
उसमें मेरा जो नाम मैं use कर रही हूँ is coming up to a 7. Is it good or should I bring it to a 6?
No, 7 is not a good number. I would advise you should bring it on 5 or bring it on 6.
अगर हो सके तो 5, अगर नहीं हो सके तो 6 is okay because
Yes,
it has 2 L's,
it
so
is
I
good.
can just remove 1 L actually.
Yes,
it's
yes,
easy.
it is good.
So I can use a 6 for my name.
Yes, you can
And
definitely use. वो
sir,
आपके ग्रिड में भी नहीं है.
हाँ जी, 6 मेरे पास इनफैक्ट 6 2 हैं ग्रिड में, 8 एक है.
That is okay. 2 times है तो अच्छा ही है, no problem.
So more of 6 is happening in terms of phone number में भी 6 आ रहा है, काम में भी 6 आ रहा है. Isn't it too much?
That is okay. It is nothing wrong is going to happen. Don't worry about it. It is okay.
Yeah, but we want to do good, sir. So what would be best? आप मुझे बताओ.
5 would be better.
5 would be better, ना? Because if we are doing remedies, we might as well do. And sir, मैंने आपसे बात की थी कि जो remedies करके I felt it little bit backfired in terms of. So what are your thoughts about that?
एक तो आपको immediately आपको change करनी है, right? 8 you cannot use at all, right? 7 is a disappointment number, right? Struggle, hard work करेंगे, but you'll be disappointed. Your actions are saying that this job will be done, but नहीं होगा. It'll give you a disappointment. So change those things first. It has to change. Next week जब हम लोग name number करेंगे, तो you will get more clarity on the name number combinations.
और sir, name number जो मेरा है, मेरा अगर मैं first name use करती हूँ, it's coming to a 6 again from a 24.
Okay.
And if I'm using my surname, because 2 surnames, I can use any one of them, the one I was born with and my husband's. तो मेरा जो husband वाला use करती हूँ तो it's coming to 8, so I'm not using it, not for my work at least.
Okay, okay.
And अगर मैं अपना born name वाला करती हूँ तो it's coming to 23 से it's coming to a 5, coming to an 11 and ending up into a 2.
2 is not a good number, no? Again, ending with 2, total number 2 पे आ रहा है, मतलब it is a patient, gentle number, not a great number.
So sir, मुझे क्या करना होगा? Name के बारे में should I bring it to a 5 again कि 6 जैसे first name
ये week hold on कर देना. We will do it next week, right? So you'll get more clarity. How do you look at these numbers? What do you look at and get your name number on that? So ये एक हफ्ता wait कर लीजिए. Next week when we are doing it, you'll have a lot of clarity on that.
और sir, as lucky number जब मेरा इन दोनों between 1 and 5 9 2 5 आ रहा है, 1 2 6 आ रहा है, तो as a lucky number मुझे maximum number क्या use करना चाहिए मेरे लिए?
5 and 1 are great numbers. Even 6 you can use. All 3 numbers are good for you.
So यहाँ पे 2 common आ रहा है, I should not be using that in any.
No, don't use 2. No, it is a good number, but we are not going to use it because we don't want to use that number, right? It's a slow number.
मुझे 1 5 और 6 पे ही focus रखना है.
Yes.
Okay sir, thank you.
Thank you. Priyanka ji.
Yes sir. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
So, I had a question. ये जो what does complementary number means?
अगर 4 नहीं है और 8 है, right? 8 complements 4. अगर 4 ना भी हो, तो because of 8 there is some substitute number. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now I have just WhatsApp you me, mine and my husband's chart. So basically in the first session जो आपकी थी वहाँ पे आपने बोला था कि 4 5 6 होगा तो it is very good and 2 8 is also good. So if you see for me and my husband, we both have these lines. Okay. But the kind of success what we expect, even after putting hard work, for me it is okay, but for my husband, things do not move up fast.
Okay.
So I mean, we basically have a problem with his business, so he's self-employed. I have problems with my health, and of course kid is also a concern. We have been trying for many years.
What is the grid? Can you tell me the grids, both of your grid?
Okay. Sir, I have WhatsApp you from the number. Okay, I'll tell you. So the first grid is mine if we take.
Go ahead.
Okay. So 4, 9. Double 4 नहीं है sir, single 4 है. Then 5 and 11.
5, 11, okay.
और नीचे है 8, single 8 and double 6. Okay. This is mine. And my husband is ऊपर 99 and 2 है.
Okay.
नीचे 3, 5, 7 है. And नीचे है last में 88 and 11, 111. So we have added the Kua number also.
Yeah, you have to add it.
Yeah.
So you have given him 3, 7. 2. He's given you 4.
Right.
And 2 also you have given him. Okay. And you have given him 6 also. Okay. Which is an equal grid. Okay. Date of birth बताइए.
So my date of birth is 5th April 1986.
Okay.
And my husband's is 27th November 1983.
What is the reason for not conceiving? Is there any doctor ने कुछ बोला है, health reasons कुछ है, something is there of that sort?
So sir, earlier I had miscarriages, no reasons were been detected. So now I am doing my treatment from other doctor. So ऐसे अभी बोला है कि fallopian tubes have been damaged. So in fact I am undergoing I will soon undergo an IVF process.
ये साल do it, pick up the dates, lucky dates. उसी दिन प्रोसेस करना. ये साल या फिर अगले साल में होना ही होना है बच्चा.
अच्छा, अभी सर. Okay. And, so what about his business? Because he puts his into a government certification and assessment. So of course, there could be an impact. We understand, but things do not move for him. मेरे लिए ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने थोड़ा कर दिया ना push तो मेरा हो जाता है. It gets better, but for him it gets stuck. मतलब वो आपको रुला के छोड़ेगा. ऐसे तक उसकी सिचुएशन आ जाती है. उसकी चीजें बढ़ती नहीं है आगे.
Okay. Okay. What is his name number, you know?
No sir, we do not know. We are very
okay, so wait, maybe there is some friction. Business का name होगा, right? That also may be a friction, right? Okay. आपके लिए तो ठीक है, right? For him it is 9. Right? For you, the compact, as I said, right? 5 के लिए कोई दुश्मन नहीं है. Everybody is friend with him. Right? So your driver number, जो भी साल आएंगे, जो भी नाम नंबर आएगा, is going to be compatible. जो आ रहा है वो अपने रिजल्ट्स देगा. सपोज 8 आ रहा है तो हार्ड वर्क कराएगा, 2 आ रहा है तो वेट कराएगा, 7 आ रहा है तो थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट कराएगा, बट ही विल कम एंड डू हिज जॉब एंड गो. राइट? ही वाज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू एनी स्ट्रगल्स एज सच. बट इन 9 व्हाट वुड हैपन, से सपोज 2 is coming, right? Yeah. So that will slow down. It is an anti year, right? It will slow down. अगर 9 आ रहा है, right? So again it will slow down. It may give you some negative effects. That we can look at. What is the name number combination coming at? How do we take it from there? Okay. So this week, just wait for this week. Sunday we will do it. Okay. So, lot of clarity you will get on that.
So just one last question. अभी जैसे आपने बोला ना कि फैमिली का लकी नंबर निकालो, तो उसका ड्राइवर एंड कंडक्टर, मेरा ड्राइवर एंड कंडक्टर, इनके हम सुप्रीमेसी, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, एंटी, ऑपोजिट सारे साथ में नंबर निकालेंगे.
फ्रेंडली नंबर्स देख लीजिए बस. फ्रेंडली नंबर्स वी वांट. फ्रेंडली नंबर्स में आपको कॉमन मिल जाएंगे. राइट डाउन एवरीबॉडी ऑल द नंबर्स एंड देन सी which are the common numbers. That is your lucky number. In that you have to make a choice of 1 5 3 6. अगर चारों आ रहे हैं तो चारों यूज कर सकते हैं. अगर 1 5 आ रहा है तो 1 5 यूज करेंगे based on that.
Okay, done sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. हाँ गोपाल जी. Gopal ji, I had unmuted Gopal ji. Yes, Gopal ji.
Sir, good afternoon जी. मेरा जो है ड्राइवर और कंडक्टर सर दोनों 4 हैं जी.
हाँ, ओके.
हाँ.
ग्रिड में कौन से मिसिंग नंबर्स हैं?
2 5 7 6.
2 5 7 6 नहीं है. ओके
जी. और उसमें जो है एक नंबर जो है वो कुआ नंबर है और 111 है. कौन सा कुआ नंबर है सर? कुआ नंबर कौन सा है? 1 सर.
1 सर. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 नहीं 2576 में
नहीं, उसमें कुछ नहीं है जी, वो मिसिंग नंबर जी। सर आप चार्ट बना लो। 13 अगस्त 1981 है।
क्या काम करते हैं आप?
सर मेरा होटल बिजनेस है और गैस एजेंसी।
13 बोलिए।
अगस्त 08 1981।
ओके। 1381981 ड्राइवर 4 कंडक्टर 4 कुआं क्या है सर?
1 सर।
ओके। तो 5-6 नहीं है। ओके
5-6 नहीं है, 2-7 भी नहीं,
एक्शन प्लेन भी नहीं है। तो
जी
घड़ी पहन लीजिए 6 और 7 के लिए पहले।
जी वो पहनी हुई है सर। सिल्वर मिली है, सिल्वर गोल्डन नहीं मिली, वो उसकी
नहीं
देख रहा
सिल्वर
हूँ सर मैं।
ढूंढते रहिए, सिल्वर गोल्डन मिल जाएगी सर, फ्लिपकार्ट में बहुत सारी है, राइट।
जी
अभी के लिए आप कोई भी चॉइस, मैक्सिमा, सिटीजन, जो भी मिल रहा है उसको पहन लीजिए। बाद में ढूंढते रहिए, अच्छा वाला मिलेगा तो देन यू कैन बाय दैट आल्सो, बट
राइट सर।
इमीडिएटली ओके। और फिर इसके लिए आपको क्रिस्टल पहननी है।
वो ऑलरेडी पहन लिया है सर मैंने 10 दिन पहले।
फोन नंबर आपका 5 पे आना चाहिए।
98
क्या नंबर पे आ रहा है टोटल?
7 पे जी।
देखिए 7 और 4 अच्छा है, ऐसा नहीं कि बुरा है, बिकॉज दोनों सर और थर्ड ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं, राइट। बट 7
एक 9 भी आ रहा है, जो ज्यादा यूज कर रहा हूँ वो 9 पे आ रहा है, वो नेगेटिव
न्यूट्रल
है।
नंबर है। 9 और 4 आर न्यूट्रल। ओके तो
ओके
सक्सेस भी नहीं देगा, लॉस भी नहीं कराएगा, सेटिस्फेक्शन भी नहीं देगा, राइट। तो एक आपको फोन नंबर, बिजनेस का फोन नंबर आपका 5 पे आना चाहिए, और आपका
ओके
पर्सनल एक नंबर ले लीजिए 1 पे।
ओके
और ये 1 अगर आपको 46 से आएगा अच्छा होगा, या 37 टोटल से आएगा तो अच्छा होगा। क्यों 46? 4 आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ है और 6 आपके पास नहीं है, राइट। तो देख रहे हैं हम लोग, वी कैन गेट इट। और 7 भी नहीं है, विच इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नंबर। तो अगर 3 और 7 आ रहा है, बिकॉज 3 एक ही बार है, तो ये लाइन और स्ट्रांग हो जाती है, आपकी थॉट प्लेन थोड़ा मजबूत हो जाता है, राइट। सो यू कैन गेट इट ऑन 37 और ऑन 46। एक नंबर पर्सनली आपके लिए, और एक बिजनेस का जो है उसके लिए 5 पे एक नंबर लेके आइए।
तो पर्सनल के लिए भी 5 ले सकते हैं जी?
नहीं 1 पे लेके आइए। पर्सनल के लिए आप एक तो ले रहे हैं ना 5।
वो बिजनेस के लिए
एक
लेना
1 एक
मतलब
5।
वो।
हाँ इधर
ओके
वेज, अगर आपको पर्सनल के लिए 5 लेना है, बिजनेस के लिए 1 लेना है, नो प्रॉब्लम, दोनों यूज कीजिए, 1 एंड
दोनों
5
यूज किए।
बोथ।
और
यस
6 नंबर भी यूज करते हैं?
6 नंबर हम नेम पे लेके आएंगे, आपका नाम 6 पे
ओके
लेके आएंगे, जो परमानेंट कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाएगा।
राइट जी,
ओके हो
ठीक है
जाएगा
सर।
सर, धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी। पहले रेमेडीज आप करा लीजिए, डोंट वेट फॉर एनीथिंग। ओके जब हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीक करेंगे तो नेम नंबर कॉम्बिनेशन हम लोग निकालेंगे, एंड देन विल स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट।
राइट सर राइट।
ओके
ठीक है जी, थैंक यू।
पासवर्ड लगा दो।
ASS 8664।
हाँ अरे खोला।
मैंने अनम्यूट किया है, नाम तो नहीं है इसके ऊपर। ASS। ओके आशीष जी, आई विल अनम्यूट यू। या आशीष जी।
Yes, sir.
यस
Sir, am I audible?
यस यस यू आर।
सर मैं अपने उसमें अपने ग्रेड के बारे में जानना चाहती हूँ। माय डेट इज 25th जून, मतलब 25061979।
ओके 25061979।
Yes sir.
Okay so driver number is 7, conductor number is
3 sir, and
number is
also 3.
3. Okay it's a good grade. 95 is complete, 276 is complete, 357 is complete, and 3 is double time, 9 is double time, 7 is double time, 6 is there, 5 is there.
Sir, but the thing is कि जो मुझे जानना था, first of all कि जो जैसे मैं अभी अपना करियर ऑकल्ट साइंस में बना रही हूँ और बिफोर दैट मेरा जो पूरा अभी तक का करियर ग्राफ है दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द एजुकेशन लाइन ओनली। ठीक है, तो इज इट, अब मैं ऑकल्ट साइंस में ना अभी ग्राफोलॉजी स्टार्ट किया है अपना करियर बनाना, तो इज इट द राइट थिंग फॉर मी टू डू?
Yes, it's definitely right. It's stronger, right? It is definitely right. You are doing the right thing.
Okay.
You are doing the right thing.
एंड सर मेरा जो मोबाइल नंबर्स है, आई एम यूजिंग 2 मोबाइल नंबर्स, उसमें एक का जो टोटल आ रहा है वो 2 आ रहा है और एक का टोटल 9 आ रहा है।
एक का टोटल 2 आ रहा है, एक का टोटल 9 आ रहा है। 9 is not great, 2 is okay.
और सर जिसमें 2 आ रहा है उसमें 4 टाइम्स मेरे पास 4 है, मतलब द नंबर इज नॉट अ गुड नंबर।
So I would advise get one number on 1, get one number on 5.
Okay sir. And sir, what will be my lucky number? Like
so 7 and 3 के साथ कौन सा compatible है, right? 1, 5 and 3. Because 6 you cannot use, 3 is anti.
Yes,
right?
Yes, sir.
There could be 2 also, there could be 9 also. But what we are going to use as lucky numbers are only those 4 numbers. In those 4 numbers, you get 3 out of it.
Okay, so it is like either 1 or 5 or 3.
Yes.
Or okay, fine, sir. And sir, जैसे अभी आपने बताया तो मेरा जो कार्मिक नंबर है वो 16 है।
Sorry, can you repeat it?
तो जो आपने कार्मिक नंबर बताया था ना सर, that is 16. तो इसका क्या इन्फ्लुएंस है हमारी चार्ट पे? मतलब I was not able to understand that concept.
16 is whose? Your husband's?
No, it's mine. मतलब like 7 से जो कार्मिक नंबर 27, sorry 7 से जो आ रहा है that is 16.
7 is not a karmic number. 16 is a karmic number. अगर total आप करेंगे, right? So it is not going to become a karmic number. Only if you are born on the date of 16th of any given month, then it is karmic number, not the addition number.
अच्छा, और sir one more question. जैसे मेरे पास 4 and 8 नहीं है, तो इस 4 and 8 is also connected to money and property, like इसमें
4 is more of liquidity of cash, and 8 is stability and managing finance. So how do you manage finance? You're cautious when you're spending. You invest in right places. This is where 4 and 8 comes.
तो सर जैसे अभी इसमें नहीं है तो that means financial problems रहेंगे मुझे, या it's mean कि मैं manage नहीं कर पाऊंगी?
So you don't have it, you should do the remedy, and once you do the remedy, वो clarity आ जाएगी. You'll start getting to know things, right? Even now, because आपकी 3, 5, 7 is very strong, but stability plane में 8 नहीं है और success plane में 4 भी नहीं है.
Right, sir.
Right? Both we require. Right? Get the remedies done. Lot of things will slowly start changing. जहाँ पर आप सेव नहीं कर पा रहे थे, वो भी आप सेव करना स्टार्ट करोगे.
And so मतलब only 2 more questions. First of all, as far as my settlement is there, I lost my husband at a very early age. So like it was only the marriage of 5 years. So is there like आगे कोई stability इसके अंदर से हमें पता चलती है कि can we calculate these things also in over here?
His grid, you are saying? You want to see his grid?
Yes.
We can see. मतलब वहाँ से कुछ आना है उनके घर से. Is that what you're trying to say? Something with property or?
Listen, my mother wants me to get settled again.
Okay.
So is this we can see that like कुछ इस तरह की चीज हम देख सकते हैं कि remarriage or something like that?
Definitely हो सकता है. 5 and 6 आपके पास है. You can definitely get married, no problem.
Okay. And sir, one last question. This is about some other one's grid. उसमें सिर्फ 4 times मतलब 3 times 1 आ रहा है, and जो उनके house number है that is also coming at 1.
Okay.
तो is that is the problem?
Numbers हम लोग कैसे use करेंगे? That is more important. अगर घर का number already 1 पे आ गया, no problem, it's okay. But they are in a power number house, so it's not going to affect. उनका driver conductor क्या है?
सर उनका ड्राइवर है 6 और उनका कंडक्टर है 4.
Very good, no problem. It's a good house. Nothing to worry.
Okay. अगर उनका 3 बार 1 आ रहा है तो भी सर
तो भी चलेगा, no problem, no problem.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
हाँ सुनील जी.
Good afternoon, Vikrant sir.
Good afternoon. Tell me, sir.
अच्छा सर, मुझे ये करना है. मेरे ग्रिड में my date of birth is 12 October 1972. और मेरे ग्रिड में 4, 8 और 6 मिसिंग है.
Okay, 4, 8 and 6. Okay.
Yep.
4, 8 and 6 prominent numbers. Huh?
Yeah. 4, 8, 6 may now what we say is like we work with that four lucky number, correct? 1, 3, 5 and 6, correct?
Correct.
So like now remedy what I want to do is for 6, correct?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. अभी 4 और 8 मेरे पास दो फ्लैट है, दोनों फ्लैट के मतलब एक फ्लैट का नंबर 1102 है which will 4 और एक फ्लैट का नंबर 206 है which will make 8.
Okay.
वो भी ठीक है कि मतलब
अगर 4 and 8 पे आ रहा है, फ्लैट नंबर 4 and 8 पे आ रहा है, तो वन थिंग इज जहां पर भी नंबर होगा उसको सर्कल कर लीजिए, रेड कलर टेप डाल दीजिए या पेंट डाल दीजिए, समथिंग यू शुड डू.
ओके.
ओके. तो नेगेटिव विजुअल वाइब्रेशन जो है will not come through. और can you remove that number? अगर निकाल सकते हो तो nothing like it. Or you can put a sticker, maybe welcome sticker हो गया, home sweet home हो गया, or you want to name the house, anything of that sort. So people will start relating it by name than the number. Okay. That also can be done.
So my flat, individual flat I can remove the name and number plate.
Please remove it.
But जो नीचे रिसेप्शन में जो नंबर लगा हुआ रहता है कि 206 is this number और वहाँ पे नहीं कर सकता हूँ मैं, correct?
It is okay, sir. If it is not possible, जहाँ पर हो रहा है वहाँ पर कर दीजिए.
Okay. And this 6 is what I want to do remedy for, correct?
Yes.
अच्छा.
4, 8 and 6, all three. Watch, crystal and wooden.
Okay. अभी सर मेरे बेटे का बर्थडे 11 दिसंबर 2008 आ रहा है. और उसमें मैंने देखा कि सारे मैक्सिमम नंबर मिसिंग ही है, मतलब सिर्फ 2 3 टाइम्स रिपीट हुआ है, 1 4 टाइम रिपीट हुआ है, 8 और 6 है, बाकी मिसिंग है.
ओके, तो सबकी रेमेडी करनी पड़ेगी. वुड के लिए 4 and 3 अगर मिसिंग है तो वुड करनी पड़ेगी. और व्हाट इज हिज एज नाउ?
ही इज 2008 born, so
what you can do is एक छोटा सा रुद्राक्ष पंचमुखी का 5 face रुद्राक्ष, small one, with a red color thread on his neck.
Okay.
या फिर एक सिल्वर चेन में वो रुद्राक्ष को आप कैप लगा सकते हैं गोल्ड का, जो 6 and 7 also comes in, right? सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड आ गया.
Okay.
And then रुद्राक्ष वुड के लिए आ गया.
Okay.
And for 258 line के लिए you can start enhancing green color for him. So green color clothes, water bottle, pencil box, bag, all of that can be in green color. That you can do.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you.
Anjalika ji.
Hello. Hello.
Just give me 1 minute, Anjalika ji.
Yeah.
Yeah, Anjalika ji, tell me.
Good afternoon, sir. Actually, I wanted to know two things. One is my husband ka. His date of birth is 18th May 1970.
18. Okay.
Yeah. His driver number is 9.
18th May 1970, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Driver is 9. Conductor?
9. Conductor is 4.
Okay.
Kuwa is 3.
Okay.
And his missing numbers are 2 and 6.
Okay.
9 is coming 2 times, 1 is coming 2 times.
9 is coming 2 times, 1 is coming 2 times, 4, sorry.
Yeah.
4 is there, 3 is there, 8 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there. It is a good grid, right? Because his 3, 5, 7 is good, thought plane is right, will plane is strong. तो 6 के लिए आपने वॉच दे दी उनको?
नहीं सर, अभी मैं बात करेंगे.
डिले मत. मैंने वर्कशॉप में भी यही बोला था कि पीपल विल लर्न, बहुत ईगर हो जाते हैं टू लर्न, बट दे डोंट अप्लाई इट. अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे तो इट विल स्टार्ट गोइंग फार, लेट होते जाएगा.
फाइन सर, आई विल
गेट द वॉच डन, डोंट हैव टू माइंड्स.
Okay, but as his mobile number is coming to 7, and there are 5 9 in his mobile number.
5 9s? नहीं change करने के लिए बोलिए.
And 5 9 3 6 and 1 7.
No, tell him to change the mobile number first. He cannot have 5 9s and all. It's not a great number to have.
Yeah.
Okay, please tell him to change it.
Okay.
He can take the phone number on 1.
Professional or okay.
He can take the phone number on 1.
Okay, fine. And can you suggest some profession or business or whatever like for him?
Sorry, could you repeat the question?
Because whatever he's into cement, he's into cement business. But that is not going.
Not going.
It is not proper. Like it is bandi ho gaya ek tarah se.
Okay. Okay. अब क्या करना चाह रहे हैं? What he wants to do?
He is ready to do anything whichever suits.
No, but कुछ तो होगा उनके mind में.
Like he is open to all. अभी ऐसा है कि कुछ भी कर रहे हैं तो nothing is working out. वैसे है. So he is telling you, tell me one thing, I'll do that.
See, he can do anything with related to any manufacturing कर सकते हैं, marketing कर सकते हैं, distribution कर सकते हैं. Anything of that sort he can do for any electronics products.
Okay.
Okay, say कोई एक franchise ले ली कोई एक company की.
वही हमारे franchise ही था, franchise सीमेंट का ही था. But अभी 2-3 साल से एकदम बंद है.
See, last year everybody had a downfall. थोड़ा मुश्किल सबको था, but उनका नंबर, इनका फोन नंबर किस पे आ रहा है?
इनका फोन नंबर 7 पे आ रहा है ना. ओपन करके.
पहले तो डिसअपॉइंटमेंट नंबर है. सक्सेस कहाँ से मिलेगी? वो किसी की भी बात सुन रहे हैं, right? He is not talking on his terms. He is talking on their terms.
Yeah.
Right. That is the reason.
Okay. So मेन प्रॉब्लम इनका आ रहा है यहाँ पे फोन नंबर, राइट?
करेक्ट. फोन नंबर उनका 1 पे लेके आने के लिए बोलिए. 1.
ओके, फोन नंबर. ओके. एंड वन मोर सर, माय डॉटर का her date of birth is 29 March 2002.
29 you said?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Her driver number is 2. Conductor number is 9.
Okay, driver number is 2, conductor number also is 9, also born on the 29th.
Yes. And she's getting 99. 4 times 2, 1 time 3 and 1 time 8, and 5 blocks are empty.
So she does not have 4, she does not have 3.
No, she doesn't have 4, 5, 1 and 6. 4, 5, 1, 6 and 7.
3 is there.
3 is there.
She's how much? What is her age?
She is 19 years old. In March she'll complete 19.
Watch she should wear.
Watch.
Red color she should wear more.
Red color.
Okay, 1 भी नहीं है उनके पास, right? And then 4 के लिए wooden remedy भी करनी है, crystal के लिए 5 crystal भी remedy करनी है.
Oh my God, सब कुछ
करना है. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, bracelet डाल दीजिए left hand में, छोटा सा bracelet डाल दीजिए, 6 mm का small beads का आएगा. Okay, wooden right hand में एक छोटा छोटा आएगा, very small. See, I am wearing both. I have 3 and 4, but just to enhance it, I am wearing. Don't wait. It is not going to look odd. It can be used every day. See, I am wearing both, right? So similarly, if you do that, then what she can wear. So तीनों remedies आ गए.
She has to wear golden or both.
Both she has to wear, both mix. ठीक है.
And last, sir. My son का उसने भी 3, 5, 7 ये तीनों नहीं आ रहे.
3, 5, 7 नहीं है.
नहीं है. Missing grade में missing है 3, 5, 7.
Okay.
He's having 1, 4, 8, 1, 6, 2, 2, 9, 9.
Okay. What does he do?
He's a student. He's doing his MBA.
Okay.
And he'll be doing in marketing. He wants to do in marketing.
Okay.
His driver number is 4 and conductor number is 6.
Which is a good combination. 4 and 6 are very good combination, right? Total 1 पे आ जाता है. So it is a good combination. No problem with that. 3, 5, 7 के लिए तो remedy करनी है, right? One thing is wooden, crystal, and then watch. Whenever he is wearing watch, जब college start होगा तो watch कर दीजिए.
Okay.
Okay.
So 3, 5, and 7. Fine. And for MBA, it is fine with him?
Yeah, it's fine. Yes, yes. No worries on that. 4 and 6 है, he'll do. He's an intelligent kid. Don't worry.
And sir, जो daughter का बोला था आपने remedies के बाद में everything will be sorted because you said 29 is not a good
so
number.
name number check करेंगे. Next week हम लोग जब name number करेंगे, we'll see whether her name also is good, right? अभी से preparation कर लेंगे तो that vibration will start.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay.
हाँ सरिता जी, सरिता जी.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I can hear you.
Sir, I have actually the thing is my driver is 8 and conductor is 6.
Okay. Which is
Okay.
yoga and book combination,
So
which is a good
the
combination.
total of 6. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. But the that 6 comes from 33. 33 total of the
okay,
date
no
of birth
problem.
comes to 33.
No problem.
I wanted to ask you that 3 मेरे को 3 के साथ वो रहना चाहिए, 3 को अवॉइड करना चाहिए फिर भी, तो 33 से आ रहा है तो 6 की तरह ही लेंगे उसको भी.
हाँ 6 की तरह ही लेंगे, there is no problem. उसको वैसे ही लेंगे, there is nothing to change as such.
Okay, so my mobile number comes to 6, total of 6, which is okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay sir. And another thing is मैंने जो lucky number निकाला अपनी family का, which is 5 and 7.
Okay.
5 and 7 goes with all the or everybody. Actually 6 जो है it's 5, 7 and 6. But 6 जो है वो 2 of us like me and my daughter उनके साथ जाता है. But जो 6 है it's not going with rest 2 people. So that means 5 and 7 ही रह गया.
Right. Actually 5 ही
right sir. Actually 5 ही रह गया. So the thing is the house number where we are staying, the flat where we are staying, it is 501, which comes to 6. That means it is not suiting everybody.
Yes.
So I need to circle that one or 01.
नहीं उसके लिए नहीं. If it is only 8 and 4 then we circle. वो visual vibration से there is no problem. हाँ?
अच्छा. So I don't need to do anything with
Nothing
this flat
Nothing
number.
You need to do.
I just leave it because it comes to 6.
Yes. Nothing you need to do.
I don't need to do anything. Okay. And another thing was I'm missing on 2 and 4. So I'm doing both the remedies of 2 and 4.
Okay.
So numbers are only missing in my chart. But sir मुझे कोई और remedy मतलब कुछ और भी करना चाहिए because like I'm stuck in one place. I'm not moving as of now.
So one thing is when we do the next class, right, future tense जब हम लोग करेंगे, so you'll get to know if there are some slow years which is coming. Based on that we can make changes. Okay. Name number भी calculation करनी जरूरी होती है because slowness can come from there also. ठीक है?
Okay sir. ठीक है sir. Because my 951 is also there. It is actually 9511. So it's fine, or this also needs to be balanced something.
No, 5. You just pick up the phone number 5. Start doing things on Wednesday on the 5th of the month.
Okay.
Any days, keep it 5. It'll start working. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Cool. हाँ Sarita ji. Sorry.
Vidya.
Yeah, Vidya ji, tell me.
Yes. Good afternoon, sir. Again, back to the same date of birth, 11/4/1991. My question is lottery number and lucky number. See, we have found out Kua number, lottery number, but we have not used it. Means, so, what is that?
See, lottery numbers are numbers which was not there in your date of birth, but we still got it.
Right.
Now, in those lottery numbers, if we have 1, 5, 3, and 6, you can still use it in your daily life as lucky numbers. Okay. For all of us, we may not get all the 4 numbers, right? Say, suppose your driver number is 6.
2.
So you cannot use 6, right? Okay. Because 6 and 2 is anti. So you're left over with 3 numbers, 1, 3, and 5. So what is your driver conductor combination? 2 and
8.
2 and 8. So you can't use 1 also. 6 bhi chala gaya, 1 bhi chala gaya.
So 5, 3.
Yeah, 5 and 3 are your lucky numbers.
Lucky numbers.
By this way, you should do it for your family members also. Once you do it for your family members, you will get some common numbers. Or 5 to sabhi mein common hoga.
Okay.
If no other number comes, 5 is the best number for your entire family. Personally, aapke liye 5 and 3.
Okay. That is 14th, like that?
Yes,
in that
14th,
month.
23rd,
okay.
Yes.
And what about time, sir?
Time also you should take.
You should take 5.
Yes.
5, 3.
2:30 bol diya to 5 aa gaya.
Okay.
Right? 10:40, 5 aa gaya.
Okay. That is one. Then the supremacy number, I didn't understand.
Say, for example, I have told that if you're looking at 1, 19 is the supreme number.
Like two,
right?
2 is her number, driver number. So, 11 it comes to 11.
Correct. So 11 is the supreme number.
Okay.
Okay. It is better than 2 and better than 20.
Okay.
Okay. Better than 29. So 11, अगर आपको कुछ काम करनी है, तो pick the 11th as the number to start things.
Wow. Oh.
Okay.
It is like equivalent to a lucky number.
But एक minute. So for her it is okay. But 2 we all know is a slow number.
Okay.
Right. So अगर 2 उनका driver number है, conductor क्या है? 6 है.
8.
8 है. Right. So 1, 3 and 5 आ गया वापस. Right? उनका lucky number 3 and 5 है. So 3 and 5 का supremacy numbers कौन से हैं? That you should. So 12th and 14th are supreme numbers for her.
Okay, 12th and 14th.
14 because 3 and 5.
Correct. Okay. So partner also, to find a partner for her. So that also between in 5 and 3.
Yes, it will be always better. Yes.
Okay, always better.
Yes.
Okay. And what about personal year, sir? How is her personal year? Because she's seriously trying. We are planning on 23rd to apply because 5 number is coming. So to send the application.
No, but what is her date of birth you said?
11/4/1991.
11.
I have put the crystal bracelet.
Okay.
And this wooden bracelet will be coming.
When does she need to apply?
We are planning, actually by this month end.
Do it in the month of March. Let this month be over because her personal year month is coming on 5. Okay. March में करने के लिए बोलिए. 1 minute.
I think some March first week or something deadline. 1st March.
1st of March if she does. Her personal month also is coming on 5 and the personal day also is coming on 5. Okay, which will be good. So she can go ahead and do it on the 1st.
But first, 1 number is not anti for her.
No, we'll look at the total. We will not look at 1. We will look at the total.
Oh, we have to look at total.
That we'll get to know next week. Don't worry.
Okay. So 1st March she'll apply.
Yeah.
Okay. And anti numbers are 6, 9, 8. So avoid means the date of 6, 9, 8.
Anything.
Avoid.
The date,
anything avoid.
the days, the colors, all of that should be avoided.
Okay. Can I tell one more date of birth, sir?
Yeah, tell.
25/1957. The missing
25.
Yeah, 2/05/1957. The driver is 2, conductor is 2. 922.
Okay.
922 5577
922 5577
771.
Okay.
And driver is 2, conductor is 2.
Kua is what?
Kua is 7. So in his project, there is some hindrance. It's getting delayed like anything. So what is
his phone number on?
Oh, that I don't know.
It will be on 8.
Okay.
Most probably it will be on 8.
Okay.
Is my assumption.
Okay.
Okay. But he should get a phone number on 1.
Okay.
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 Start using more of red color.
Red color.
1 and 9 are good planets, but एक ही बार आ रहा है तो थोड़ा weak है. Okay.
Okay.
5, 5, 7, 7, 2 are really good for him.
Okay.
Very strong.
Okay. Last 3 years hindrance, he's not getting that project. Some this is there.
But now this personal year is 3 for him. Okay, so it will be good.
Okay. From when it starts?
It already started from February 4th.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ಅಯ್ಯ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯ್ತು ಇನ್ನು ಇಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 3 ವರೆ. Yeah, Daisy ji.
Yeah, thank you for giving me chance, sir. This is for my daughter. I wanted to check. Her date of birth is 4th February 2000. So her driver number is 4, 8 is the conductor, and Kua is 6. Why 6? Standard. So her missing numbers are 9, 3, 5, 7, and 1. Hello? Hello?
Deep Narayan ji. Hello. Daisy ji, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. So Deepak here.
Yeah, Deepak.
Okay. So basically, I was just totaling my name numbers. So I mean, I generally write it as Deepak Chelani. It comes to a total of 15, which is 6. Okay, I'll tell you my driver number and my conductor number first. Driver is 2. Conductor is 5.
Driver
Okay, so
2, conductor 5. Okay.
Yeah. So I have 3 2s, 3 9s, out of which 1 is from Kua.
Okay.
5 is the lucky number that comes from my conductor number. That's
What is your first name and last name total coming to?
That is coming to 15, which is 6. And I don't have a 6 in my chart. I have 1 8 and 2 1s. But recently, I mean, I have written a book also, and I've written my name as Deep Narayan Chelani, wherein I've changed my dad's spelling also, which is like the way it's appearing on the phone right now.
Okay.
So that comes to a total of 19, which is 1.
Okay. Okay.
And the normally which I used to use earlier in my previous company was Deep Chelani, which comes to a total of 12, which is 3.
Okay.
So which one is better? I mean,
see,
if
one is better. 19 is always better.
So that's the one I should be using now.
Yes.
Henceforth.
Yes.
It so supersedes even 3.
Yes, definitely yes. That's a
And
power.
the book price, as you told me last time, I should move it from 6 to a total of 5.
जो आपका lucky number है, which is 5 in your case, yeah, bring it to that price.
Okay, okay, fair enough. But sir, अगर नाम 1 पे होगा, तो irrespective वो अगर somewhere if the publisher is still not changed, he's kept it as 6, it still be okay, right?
Yeah, it'll be okay because you don't have 6 in your grid, right?
Right.
आपका driver और conductor से anti तो नहीं है 6.
Okay, और मेरा जो mobile number है, that is also coming at 3.
Sorry,
mobile number is coming at 3.
3 is okay. 3 or 5 okay. You can bring it to.
But that's a number I've been using for a while now. And the next thing is my company's name also, which I've kept. I mean, coincidentally, that's coming. If I use it, the entire name, which I'm planning to get the funds of this book into that, it's coming to a total of 1.
So hold on, sir. I just want you to wait this week. Let us come to the name number combinations. A lot of insights will come. Okay? And then make the decision what you want to do.
Okay. So one more thing, just for my son, he doesn't have a 5 in his grid, but he has a 3. He has 2 2s, 2 8s, 1 9, 1 single 1.
Okay. Okay.
No 4, no 5, no 6, no 4, no 5, no 6, no 7.
Okay. How old is he?
He's just going to turn 2 now.
Abhi time hai sir, don't worry. Him some green color clothes thoda zyada use kijiye. Unki feeding bottles, anything what he uses, right? Start enhancing. Why driver is what? Sorry, driver and conductor?
Driver is 2, conductor is 8. That's the problem.
So 1 and 5 he cannot, 1 and 6 he cannot use. Okay. So he has to focus on 3 and 5. So green and yellow.
Okay.
Even in vegetables, fruit, ice cream, जो भी आप उनको खिला रहे हैं, water bottle हो गया, पानी का bottle हो गया, clothes, pillows, all of that you can enhance the combination of green and
green would be much better. Green would be much better than yellow. And so one more thing, I mean, you just spoke to another ma'am before, and you just said keep personal year and personal number March would be better. But I was just totaling March, that comes to 6. But you said her number is 5. So I was wondering how does that calculation?
We learn how to
that's the different thing. Okay.
Yes, there is a different calculation for it.
Okay, sir. Fair enough. Okay. And sir, one more thing I wanted to, and I mean, I always have a passion to go into acting field, and I have tried that earlier, but my 6 is missing. So I think that's where that is the one thing which has also given me other things, because my birth date is 29, which I've already told you in person.
So we can enhance 6, right? We can enhance 6 and see whether it works. But if it is not anti to your driver and conductor, then definitely you can use it. There is no problem. We have to only enhance maybe name number.
So how do we do it? I mean, that we'll learn later.
We'll learn next week, sir. With the name number combination, we'll learn.
Sure. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry, Manisha ji. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, good afternoon, sir. Sir, मेरा नंबर है 331969.
Okay.
तो I have 33. मेरा फिर ड्राइवर नंबर भी 3 आ रहा है, तो I should put 333 in the grid.
333 in the grid is focus is not there on one thing.
Okay.
So you're smart, you have knowledge, but limit your knowledge to 1 or 2 things. Okay. It's not that you cannot do it, but focus nahi rahega ki in all these places I can get success. You want to do everything.
Yes, sir.
But it is becoming
very. My combination is 3 and 4. 4 is, you say, Robin Hood number.
Correct. 4 is intelligence and 3 is knowledge, right? So both are good numbers. Not that they are not good numbers, right? Out of that, you are going to get success. But kya bol raha hu ki because you have knowledge and intelligence, you are focusing on lot of things.
वो हो रहा है सर. पहले मैं एजुकेशन लाइन में थी. I was giving tuitions. Then 5-6 years back, I came to jewelry business, diamond and gold jewelry. That is also going good. I can't say that it is bad. It is good. और मैंने अभी वो छोड़ दिया है. और ये न्यूमरोलॉजी, रेकी, ये सब चीजों में मुझे बहुत टाइम से इंटरेस्ट है. I keep on all the things.
Okay.
तो अभी सर मैंने रुद्राक्ष माला जो है ना 54 बीट्स की 10 years से ऐसे पहनी हुई है.
54 beads.
Half of the माला.
Okay.
तो अभी 9 और 1 मेरे पास ऑलरेडी है. तो मुझे रेड थ्रेड पहनना है या सिर्फ मुझे क्रिस्टल पहनना चलेगा?
नहीं, क्रिस्टल पहनना है आपको. प्लेन क्रिस्टल्स, क्लियर क्वार्ट्ज क्रिस्टल यू विल हैव टू वेयर.
एंड वॉच आल्सो.
यस.
तो सर मुझे बिजनेस कौन सा रखना चाहिए? जैसे आई हैव इंटरेस्ट इन दिस न्यूमरोलॉजी, रेकी, आई डू रेकी.
यू कैन डेफिनेटली डू. कर सकते हैं आप. नो प्रॉब्लम.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट माय ज्वेलरी बिजनेस सर?
ज्वेलरी बिजनेस बिकॉज़ आपका 6 आ रहा है, राइट? 3 and 6 का कॉम्बिनेशन है. मे बी वो
3 and 4.
3 and 4 है, तो 6 की बिजनेस कर रहे हैं आप, तो वो नेम नंबर आपको 5 पे लेके आना है. जो बिजनेस का नेम नंबर है उसको 5 पे लेके आना पड़ेगा या 1 पे लेके आना पड़ेगा.
सर मेरा जो पर्सनल मतलब मेरा नाम मनीषा गोयल है ना, तो मनीषा का टोटल 2 पे आ रहा है, गोयल का 6 पे आ रहा है. अगर मैं दोनों को ज्वाइन करती हूँ तो वो फिर 8 हो जाता है. तो आई कैन यूज ओनली मनीषा.
यू कैन यूज, बट लास्ट नेम आपको रेडी रखना है. कभी यूज करना when you have an opportunity to use, you should have that number ready, right?
तो सर मुझे गोयल में चेंज करना चाहिए या मनीषा में? बिकॉज मनीषा इज 2 and गोयल इज 6.
वो नेक्स्ट वीक we'll do. Let us get there and then we can get that combination right.
तो सर मुझे मेरे पास 333 आ रहा है, तो मैं रुद्राक्ष माला नहीं पहनूं?
नहीं पहनेंगे तो नो प्रॉब्लम, राइट? बिकॉज आपके पास ऑलरेडी 3 times है. 4 कितनी बार आ रहा है? 4 नहीं है.
4 सर मुझे कंडक्टर नंबर से आ रहा है.
हाँ, then it's okay. 4 भी है, right? So it is okay. आ गया 3 and 4 आ गया, मतलब it's not necessary that you should wear. But अगर आपको हेल्थ
कंफर्ट देता है, मतलब मुझे जब से मैं पहन रही हूँ मैं उतारती हूँ तो
उसके लिए आपको पहनना है तो you can wear. No problem in that. You can wear it.
ओके. ठीक है. थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू.
सर एक और क्वेश्चन था सर. वो जो लोग नॉनवेज खाते हैं, मैं नहीं लेती, बट जो नॉनवेज खाते हैं उनके लिए हम रुद्राक्ष की रेमेडी यूज कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, मैं एडवाइस करूंगा कि यू शुड नॉट यूज.
तो फिर क्या करना चाहिए गुड के लिए?
नॉर्मल वुडन बीड्स की ब्रेसलेट आती है, उसमें आप ऑर्डर कर लीजिए.
ठीक है सर. थैंक यू सो मच.
वी जस्ट लुकिंग एट द एलिमेंट पार्ट, राइट?
या.
सो एनी वुडन बीड इज ओके फॉर अस. चंदन का हो गया, नॉर्मल वुडन्स की हो गई, टीक की हो गई, ऑल ऑफ दैट इज वुडन फॉर अस.
ओके. थैंक यू सर.
हाँ गौरव जी. हाँ गौरव जी, टेल मी.
हाँ सर, मेरा जो डेट ऑफ बर्थ है ना 01041981 and driver is 1, conductor is 6 and Kuwa is 1. Hello. Hello. Hello.
01041981.
81. Okay. What is the question, sir?
Driver is 1.
Mm-hmm.
Conductor is 6.
Okay.
And Kuwa is 1.
Okay.
सर आपको ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है?
हेलो, सुनाई दे रही है? हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes.
Yeah. So you don't have 3, 5, 7.
अभी मेरा जो फोन नंबर है, फोन नंबर इसका 6 है, फोन नंबर का. Is it okay?
6 is okay. 1 and 6 combination is 6 is okay.
If
you want to get one more number, you should get it on 5.
Okay. That's fine. और जो मैं अभी ये वास्तु का और पैरानॉर्मल और ये सब जो एक्टर्नल साइंस का मैं इनहांस कर रहा हूँ बिजनेस को, it suits me as per my grade.
See, as of when you look at 357 is required, we say.
Okay.
But आपका driver number 8 है, which is a power number.
Okay.
Right? Power number can do anything.
Okay.
Okay. It has the opportunity to do anything you want to do.
Right. And do we have any alternative remedy to watch?
You have to wear a gold chain and a silver pendant, but क्या होता है कि that is lifeless, right? Whatever ornaments you are wearing, whatever clothes is lifeless. The watch has a battery. There is energy in it.
Okay.
Right? That is the reason we say when there is energy and action चल रहा है, that is the reason we say you should wear a watch. That enhances even more.
Okay. Sir, एक मेरा वाइफ का भी देख दीजिए please. 11/5/1983.
बोलिए नंबर बोलिए.
11/5/1983.
एक मिनट हाँ. 11/5/1983.
Driver is 2.
Okay.
Conductor 1. Kuwa 7.
Kuwa 7. Okay.
Kuwa 7 है. और इसमें मिसिंग नंबर था 4 and 6.
So she is given you 5, which you don't have, right?
5 है ना सर इसमें?
नहीं आप में 5 नहीं है, right? 357 she is given you.
Yes.
So after the
और अभी इनका जो मोबाइल नंबर है वो 1 पे है.
1 अच्छा है. 1 is okay, sir.
Okay, and she is doing a bakery business. केक का बिजनेस कर रही है वो.
6, which is anti to 2. So that business name should come on 5. जो बिजनेस चला रहे हैं वो should come on 5. और उसका 5 पे आना चाहिए. या 1 पे.
वो 5 पे आना चाहिए.
या 1 पे आ सकता है. 1 तो
1 पे या 5 पे आएगा.
या 5 will be better.
अच्छा.
So next week.
और एक हम दोनों के ना आपस में.
बोलिए.
हम दोनों के आपस में बड़ी नोकझोंक रहती है. We don't understand each other.
Your driver is
1.
Driver is 1 and conductor is
6.
6, right? See, 2 and 6 are anti, no? इसलिए.
Okay.
So both your personal phone number should come on 5.
Oh, okay.
Because that is a number of communication.
Any alternative?
Any alternative name number check करेंगे सर. Name number में अगर changes आ रहे हैं, which could be on 5, then it could help, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. वो next week पता चल जाएगा सर. Name number हम लोग करेंगे तब पता चल जाएगा. हाँ वैभवी जी.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
My date of birth is 27/2/1985. और मेरा driver number is 9, conductor is 7, Kuwa is 9.
Driver 9, conductor is 7, Kuwa is 9. Okay, missing numbers?
मिसिंग नंबर मेरा 4, 3 and 6 है. And I have 3 times 9, twice 2, 2 times 2 and 2 times 7.
Okay.
So my remedy would be wooden bracelet and silver and gold watch. But मेरा problem क्या है? I'm into interior field, but there's lots of ups and downs. I just reached to success. By then something happens. Now to almost due to many reasons, I'm again restarting after 2 years break. And मेरा phone number adds up to 1.
Phone number on 1 is okay, it is good, but the profession what you are looking at is on 6, right? When you look at 6 and 9 are also controversial numbers. वो उतना success नहीं देता है हम लोग को. It does not give that much of success.
But मेरा 6 missing है sir.
Correct, but you are doing the business of 6, I'm saying.
Okay.
So that business name should come on 5. Name number should come on 5.
Okay.
That business का phone number should come on 1. Okay. So when we do it next, when we do the name number calculation next week, okay, you will get a better chance to understand what are the name number combinations. How do I use it? Okay, it will be done.
Okay.
ठीक है.
So this profession is fine. Interior ka, and you also mentioned NGO is I am already into associated with an NGO.
Great.
So is it fine?
Yeah, it is fine. Definitely, it is fine.
For my
9.
Okay, what will my lucky number and day, sir?
1, 5, 6, 3.
So you would suggest I'll wait for next week and then proceed with the
name number
for the changes. Okay, yeah. Thank you, sir.
हाँ अनूप जी, सॉरी अनूप जी, बहुत वेट करा दिया आपको भी. अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अनु जी.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity again.
Tell me, sir.
Very much thankful. Sir, the company Rekmet Alloys for which you did the earlier consultation, that is using a iron furnace to melt lead.
Okay.
And Ravinder ji is the main director there, whose driver is 1.
Okay.
And his conductor is 9 and Kua number 8.
Conductor. Okay.
Yeah. Driver is 1, conductor 9, Kua 8. And myself is another director whose D is 9, C is 9, K is 5.
D is 9, C is 9, K is 5.
This company is running under last 10 years heavy loss.
Okay. Okay.
So as you were telling that D1 person should not do business in iron. It is not directly iron business, but furnace is made of
fire.
Iron.
Fire. See, fire is okay. Fire is okay. Because 1 है, 9 भी है, तो fire they can definitely use. Boilers हो गया, furnace हो गया, heating machines हो गई. That can be done, sir. No problem with that. Okay.
But sir, why this company is under heavy losses? There is no clue.
Name number combination क्या है, sir?
Rekmet Alloys.
दो ही लोग ऐसे partner?
2 ही लोग पार्टनर. पहले तो 4 लोग थे, उनको 2 को अभी हटा के अभी हम 2 ही लोग हैं. पहले 4 थे.
Okay.
Recently we have changed last 1.5 months back. So I was doubting whether because of this D1 Ravinder ji and he is the main leading person there.
नहीं, उनका 1 and 9 combination है, sir, which is a good combination.
Okay. पर वो तो आपने अभी सर अभी आपने बताया थोड़ा देर पहले ही कि अगर वो फर्नेस भी अगर आयरन का है तो लॉसेस हो सकते हैं.
नहीं सर, फर्नेस अगर है तो फायर के लिए अच्छा है, 1 and 9 के लिए अच्छा है, बिकॉज बोथ आर फायर जोन्स.
ओके,
दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके. मार्केटिंग में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है सर 4 में?
मार्केटिंग में सर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
आपकी फिनिश्ड गुड कहाँ से स्टोर करते हैं आप?
फिनिश्ड गुड्स वहाँ शेड में स्टोर करते हैं, जहाँ फर्नेस है उसके पास ही स्टोर होता है.
वो कौन सा डायरेक्शन है?
साउथ वेस्ट में फर्नेस है. और उसके बाद में फिर उस तरफ का जो एरिया कौन सा हो गया सर?
साउथ की तरफ है, वेस्ट की तरफ है?
वो सर मैं पूछ करके देखता हूँ उनको।
मैं एडवाइस करूंगा आपके फिनिश प्रोडक्ट्स जो है, ओके, वो आपको नॉर्थ वेस्ट में रखने।
अच्छा, ताकि जल्दी सेल हो।
यस, ओके, वो एयर का जोन है, राइट।
फिनिश प्रोडक्ट्स का तो माल बिक जाता है, प्रॉब्लम है सर प्रोडक्शन ही नहीं हो पा रहा, प्रॉब्लम है प्रोडक्शन नहीं होता है। Problem is the production is not happening. Production should be 500 ton, it is happening 100-150 ton.
आप दोनों के ग्रिड में 8 है सर?
नहीं, मेरे ग्रिड में 8 नहीं है सर।
इनके भी कुआ में 8 है।
हाँ, इनके कुआ में 8 है।
So people who you are employing are not working hard.
Okay.
So you need to make the right choice. उनका डेट ऑफ बर्थ थोड़ा चेक कीजिए आप हायर करने के टाइम पे।
Okay. क्या क्या होना चाहिए डेट ऑफ बर्थ में सर?
8 होना चाहिए उनके ग्रिड में 8 होना चाहिए। So they will work hard.
ओके।
डेट ऑफ बर्थ 8 नहीं चाहिए, मतलब ड्राइवर कंडक्टर 8 ना हो, लेकिन ग्रिड में अगर 8 है,
ग्रिड में 8 चाहिए।
4 and 8 अगर है तो हार्ड वर्किंग पीपल।
We have a contractor there. We don't have direct labor, our labor.
अच्छा, okay. हाँ।
So I will check the contractors grid.
Yeah, please check
and all the laborers grid also.
Yeah.
Okay sir, और रेकमेट एलॉय कितना नंबर पे आना चाहिए?
REC क्या है नंबर स्पेलिंग?
RECMET Alloys Private Limited.
रेकमेट आ रहा है 23 पे, which is good. और Alloys ALLOYS
33713 7 3 से 11
वो 18 पे आ रहा है। तो रेकमेट एलॉयज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड है ना?
यस सर।
ओके, वो ठीक है सर, लेट इट बी ऑन 18, नो प्रॉब्लम। 9 पे आ रहा है, राइट? सो 23 and 9 41 पे आ रहा है, 4 and 1 का कॉम्बिनेशन है, विच इज अगेन 5। ओके, विच इज गुड। आपके ड्राइवर कंडक्टर के साथ भी जाता है, इनके ड्राइवर कंडक्टर राजेंद्र जी के ड्राइवर कंडक्टर के साथ भी जाता है, सो इट इज गुड। द ओनली थिंग इज नीचे आपको प्राइवेट लिमिटेड लिखनी पड़ेगी, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, नॉट टुगेदर।
श्योर सर, वी विल डू दैट। तो वहां पर प्लांट में भी जो रेकमेट लिखा हुआ है उसको भी चेंज करवा देते हैं?
हाँ सर, बोर्ड चेंज करना पड़ेगा। यस, वो चेंज करा दीजिए।
ओके सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
थैंक यू। किसका सवाल रह गया? मी सांगितलंय मेसेज करून 3:30 ला व्हॉट्सअप मध्ये 3:30 सांगितलं। नाही अर्जंट नाही। Yeah, I have unmuted.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, the question is, as you suggested, we should wear 32 beads of crystal.
32 or 23, both are okay.
है ना? 23 is okay ना?
Yeah, 23 also is okay, but 23 बहुत छोटा हो जाता है, right? Normally for adults we advise 32 beads. उसमें दो size होती है, 8 mm और 6 mm. 6 mm for females we advise, and then 9 mm for 8 mm for male. 32 beads.
Okay, and one more thing is कि sir, if there are 4 directors in a company, ठीक है, suppose तो वो चारों डायरेक्टर के उससे मैच होना चाहिए कंपनी नेम?
You have to look because they are participants, right? In all 4 are participants. They take decisions together, right?
अगर वो पैसिव, जैसे उसमें से 2 एक्टिव डायरेक्टर है और 2 पैसिव डायरेक्टर है, तो भी
फिर भी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन तो हो गया है ना उनके नाम से.
हाँ जी, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन.
So they are a shareholder. Silent है, but they are a shareholder, right? So we should look at it. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. हाँ, मेघना जी. We'll have the Vastu class at 3:30. So I'm just pushing it. I know.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
मेरा 3/6/1974.
हाँ.
तो मेरा ड्राइवर है 3, कंडक्टर है मतलब 30, तो 3 वो उसमें मेंशन होगा कि नहीं?
हाँ होगा. सिर्फ ड्राइवर को रूल आता है. वो क्या था डेट ऑफ बर्थ?
3/6/1974.
सॉरी 3/6/1974.
हाँ, कंडक्टर 30 मतलब 3 आएगा, 2 3 आएगा.
ओके, कंडक्टर इज 33 और कुआं
7.
ओके, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन क्या है?
एक तो ये कि यही था, एक तो 3 आना चाहिए, तो 2 3 आएगा मेरे इसमें. वो एक तो ये पूछना था.
ये नहीं आएगा. हाँ, ये वाला आएगा. करेक्ट.
हाँ, ये 2 3 आएगा. और दूसरा कि मेरा मोबाइल नंबर 9 पे आ रहा है, तो ठीक है क्या?
नहीं.
ओके.
आपका मोबाइल नंबर 5 पे आना चाहिए, बिकॉज 5 नहीं है आपके पास.
हाँ, तो मेरा जो शॉप नंबर है 2 और 3 है, तो
दैट इज ओके.
तो बिजनेस का नेम तो जैसे मैंने आपसे पूछा था, मैं चेंज कर ही रही हूँ. और ये आपने जो बोला था कि मेरा जो फ्लैट नंबर है मेरा वो है 904.
4 पे आ रहा है.
हाँ, तो मैं पूरा ही सर्कल करूँ 904 या सिर्फ 4 को सर्कल करूँ?
नहीं 904 को करना है.
अच्छा, पूरा
904 को करना है.
और इफ आई वांट टू गो अब्रॉड, तो उसके लिए व्हिच नंबर आई शुड एनहांस मोर?
6 इज देयर ऑलरेडी. 5 को एनहांस करना है.
5 को एनहांस करना है. तो 6 को अगर ज्यादा मुझे एनहांस करना है तो कैन आई वेयर गोल्ड सिल्वर?
हाँ, गोल्ड. 6 को नंबर्स यूज नहीं करेंगे आप.
अच्छा.
Okay, 5 you will, because 6 and 3 are anti, no? So nowhere you are going to use business name. कहीं पर भी आप 6 लेके नहीं आएंगे. Remedy करेंगे. If you want to enhance it, you should do the remedy. मतलब gold chain पहन लिया, watch पहन लिया,
gold silver ऐसा पहन लिया तो चलता है.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank
you. अनुकंपा जी. Anukampa ji is not here. Anukampa ji is not here. Anil ji.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
My wife birthday is she born on 8th night at 12:15.
So it is 9th.
It is 9th, no?
Yes.
Timing is 12:15. I have to take 9th only or 8th?
Date of birth, yeah, 9th.
Okay, sir. Timing 12:15. It is 9th.
So it is 9, sir. 9.
It is 9th.
Yeah.
And second one is, sir, my daughter, she is in 12th standard. She is going to attend examination in next week. So her birth date is 7/11/2003.
7/11/2003. Okay.
Yeah. And driver is 7. Conductor is 5 and Koa 9.
Okay.
And driver I have to add in the Loshu grid, no, sir?
No, you will not add because 7 से आ रहा है number ना. You will not add.
Will not add. So what she has to wear when she has to go for the examination now?
Okay. Green color she can wear. Okay.
Green color.
Which is a very good color. Yellow color she can wear.
Green and yellow color.
Pad she can use green. Pen she can use green. She can use.
And sir, what should she wear for the missing numbers and all?
Yeah, so for 4 she has to wear Rudra wooden bracelet.
Wooden bracelet.
7 and 6 watch she has to wear.
Okay.
For 8 crystal she has to wear.
Because she is going for the design courses.
She wants to do designer course.
Yeah, design course. That is National NID, National Institute of Design.
Okay.
She wanted to join that. For that, she is going for the entrance examination.
So you have to enhance 5 and 1. 1 and 5.
5 already is there, no?
Yeah, you have to enhance it because एक ही बार आ रहा है, right?
So what she has to wear?
No, you can get her phone number on 6. right?
Number on 6.
We can give the application on 5th, Wednesday, Fridays को ध्यान में रखना है.
Wednesday and Friday. Okay, sir. One more thing. My official birthday is it is 22/3/1966.
Okay.
But whereas in the school it has mentioned 22/7/1966.
Sorry, what?
22/3/1967 is the real birthday.
Okay.
And in the school it has mentioned 22/7/1966.
Okay.
And everywhere we are using 22/7/1966 only.
But when you compare it, what is the missing number?
Missing number in the real birthday, the missing number is 8 and 5.
In both?
Not in both, sir. In the other, the missing number is 3, 8 and 5.
3, 8 and 5. In one you have only 8 and 5 missing, and in one you have 3, 5, 8 and 5.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's not much of a difference, right?
Yeah.
It's not much of a difference. Either one you can use. That's not going to make anything different.
So can you see the video, sir? I'm wearing the watch, what you say. Right.
No, I can't see, sir. I can't see your camera. No, sir, I can't. No, you can take a photo and send it on WhatsApp, sir. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Anil, no, not Anil Kumar. Deepika ji. एक मिनट थांब बाकी. Yeah, Deepika ji. Deepika ji.
Yeah, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I have one question. My husband is actually, his date of birth is 15 January 1978.
Okay.
His this number is 6, 5 and 4.
6, 5 and 4, okay.
Yeah. And in grid, 3 and 2 number are missing.
3 and 2, okay.
Yeah.
6 and 5 is a good combination because ये 4, 5, 6 line complete हो रही है. What he do? What does he do?
He is also chartered accountant. He is working with Big 4 CA firm.
Okay.
But he is like not getting promotion as expected, and he is like doing very much hard work actually. And for searching for another
January, right?
Yeah, 15 January 1978.
What is the reason for no promotion?
I don't know, like some politics happens in the office. So for changing the job also, is like since last 1 year he's trying to some another company, but there also some politics happens and it has been delayed continuously.
Okay.
Our house number is 1.
Okay.
And office number is 101A. So does this affect?
So he's trying and people are not coming back for the work also?
Yeah, no, he's working very hard in this. Like he is appreciated for his work, but not getting the promotion and increment as expected. Like
as of now, his personal year is this year 2021 is 3. Okay, which is an anti-year to him.
Okay.
Right? So he should get his phone number on 1. Okay. And whenever he's going to have meetings with whatever kind, right? If he wants to talk to people for his promotion or get a job, he should keep 1 and 5 in mind.
1 and 5 in mind.
Yeah, 19th of the month, 10th of the month, 1st of the month, 23rd of the month. That days he should send the applications. Or have it.
Okay. Phone number you told, sir, 1, no?
1 and 5.
1 and 5. Now presently it is coming to 2 number.
See, 2 and 6 is anti also, no?
Okay.
So कहाँ से success मिलेगा?
Okay. And one more thing, sir. I am also chartered accountant practicing. I have taken my own office since last 4 years. The office number is 101A. But I am also like not getting progress as
101A.
Yeah.
What is your date of birth?
13 October 1981.
4. So this is also on 4, no? घर का number, office का number भी 4 पे है.
4 पे आएगा office.
हाँ, 101. Sorry, 3 पे आएगा.
Okay.
101A है, right?
Right.
101 common है, 101A, 101B, 101C.
Yeah, 101A and B both offices are there.
Okay, नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि 101 common है क्या? मतलब 101A, B, C, D ऐसा है? आपका A and B है?
नहीं, मेरा 101A ही है खाली.
Okay. तो उसके बाद 101B भी आ रहा है, 101C भी आ रहा है।
नो, वो दूसरे का ऑफिस है। हाँ, बाजू में।
हाँ है, लेकिन है, राइट।
हाँ,
तो 101 कॉम मतलब आपका ऑफिस का नंबर A1 पे है,
राइट।
which is a good number.
Okay. And house number is also 1.
Which is good. 6 के साथ अच्छा है, 5 के साथ भी अच्छा है।
In my
नेम नंबर हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीक हम लोग नेम नंबर चेक करेंगे। मे बी देयर we may have some things to take care of.
In phone number is coming to 4 and another number I'm using for my office is also coming to 3.
See, 4 is not a good number, no.
Okay.
Phone number struggling number है। तो एक same like your for you. What is your driver number? 3 and conductor is?
Conductor number is mine is 6, 4 and 6. Driver 4, conductor 6.
Driver 4, conductor 6. Okay. तो 5 पे लेके आइए फोन नंबर को, या 1 पे लेके आइए।
Okay.
Okay. See, 4 and 4 you are using, right? Is already anti to each other.
Okay.
So that cannot happen. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Cool. Thank you. I think I've answered everybody's. नहीं, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है बाबा। या अशोक जी मेरा अच्छा ओके अनुकंपा जी also okay I'll ask her. Yeah, good limit your questions please. Yeah, अशोक जी is not there. Unmute कर दीजिए, मैंने unmute किया है। नहीं, I don't know what happened. राजेंद्र जी का है। अच्छा राजेंद्र जी, आप मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा आप जो बात कर रहे हैं। या विल शेयर द क्वेश्चन आंसर रिकॉर्डिंग आल्सो। यस, हाँ राजेंद्र जी अनम्यूट कीजिए। हेलो
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So last time when we discussed about my company name, if it is coming to 6 is also okay because it's clothing.
Right. And what is your driver and conductor?
मगर मेरा problem क्या है? Driver is 2 and conductor is 9.
It's okay.
So 6
no
is anti and 6 anti है ना 2 के लिए.
Sir, if it was 3, I would not have advised. Okay. 2 it is okay. No problem.
Okay. 2 के लिए 6 ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Neutral.
Yes, it's neutral.
But driver. But conductor is 9 ना 9 के लिए anti है ना 6.
ये दोनों anti है. But आपके business के लिए that's not going to be a problem.
Okay.
Okay.
और
उसका फोन नंबर 5 पे लेके आइए, बिजनेस का फोन नंबर। नेम नंबर 6 पे लेके आए, फोन नंबर 5 पे लेके आ जाइए या 1 पे लेके आइए, बिकॉज 1, 2 and 9 के साथ दोनों के साथ जाएगा।
हाँ। और नेम मेरा आपने बोला 5, राजेंद्र is coming 5 and Guddu is coming 5.
Correct.
So total is 1.
Yes.
That's okay, no?
Yes, sir. Very good.
And one more thing, you told me to bring the number to 5. So एक number आया है 7799906666. So can I use like that?
Sir, 66 4 times 6 आ रहा है?
हाँ 4 times आ रहा है।
नहीं sir, 2 times it is good. Any number in the phone, if it is 2 times, it is good. I would always advise कि 4 and 8 एक बार आएगा तो बस है, and it should not come together. 4 8 ऐसा नहीं आना चाहिए, 4 4 नहीं आना चाहिए, 8 8 नहीं आना चाहिए. But
अच्छा 66 नहीं आनी चाहिए।
हाँ
मगर 66 पे क्या टोटल भी 50 हो रहा है, तो भी नहीं ले क्या?
नहीं नो
66
दो तक लिमिट।
22 भी नहीं लेना।
नहीं सर,
कोई भी नंबर 4 बार रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए।
यस सर, नॉट मोर देन 2 टाइम्स।
नॉट मोर देन 2 टाइम्स। ओके ठीक है सर।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
I think I have answered everybody's question. कोई और बच गया हो तो you can always message me on WhatsApp. I have a class at 3:30 again Vastu ka, so I'm just running short of time. So if there are any questions, I'll definitely go ahead and answer through the WhatsApp. Okay, I'll share both the recordings. We will always share the question answer and the workshop recordings. Okay. Okay. Cool. Maybe 5-6 minutes. I'm just going to have food and I'm going to come back for the Vastu class. So maybe 5-10 minutes here and there I'll be late, but I'll join back. Yeah. Thanks everybody. Thanks.